Here we go. You ready? Okay. Oh, it's so deep. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. This is how much snow we've gotten. About a foot on those trash cans. Tiny dog in the snow. She's doing a pretty good job. I don't think she knows where she's going, though. I'm going to let her off the leash because there's no way she can get any kind of far. Phoebes, where you going? Where you going? Come here. Come here. Come here, Snowflake. Come here. Oh, good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Say, Mom, don't bother me. I'm trying to poop.